Hello friends, in today's video we will see how to download Teleprime. So first of all, we have to search Teleprime in Google, then go to Tele website, then go to download. Now click on download button. Wait till download will complete it. Okay, so my download complete. Click on it. Then after click on install. Wait till installation is complete. My installation is complete. Click on start Teleprime. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Teleprime. Click on accept. For demo, you click on education mode. Your Teleprime is start. Thanks for watching. For more updates, like and subscribe.